Did you know that even global stars like Priyanka Chopra once struggled with fluency in English? There were times when she used to struggle to find words to speak in English. I know it's hard to believe, but I will show you how her transformation can inspire your learning journey too. From finding hard to look for words to shine in global stages, Priyanka has always been an inspiring character for all of us. Watch this video completely to get inspired by PC.
Like, the way he moves and the way he talks and everything when the camera's on. But when it goes off,
Then
he's a really nice guy. You know the difference?
what's wrong with being nice, dude? Yeah.
No, you're not like, he's always trying to be this.
Can you believe this is the same Priyanka Chopra we all see today? Back then, she was struggling so hard to find the right words in some sentences. Often, she filled the gaps with nervous laughter. I know we all have been through this phase and it can be quite hard sometimes. It is like you know what you want to tell, but you're not finding the right words.
She is precocious.
Yes.
She is funny. She's a little
She is.
comedian.
She is.
And she knows she's funny, so that's even better.
Yeah.
But yeah, she's just such a light of our lives right now. This is an amazing season for us. Nick has been on Broadway.
Yes.
On
He's
the last
crushing
5 years.
it, by the way.
Yes.
Oh my God.
His last week.
Crushing it on Broadway at the Hudson Theater.
Yes.
Now, did you notice the difference in this video? Priyanka now speaks confidently, smoothly and effortlessly. And also, she properly gives back when she's challenged. This is not just fluency, but it is also the confidence. Your ability should not just be to speak, but also to deliver your expressions powerfully.
No understanding how it happened. But what I did understand was the opportunity it gave me. Suddenly people knew me, wanted to know me, gave me new opportunities. There were movies that were coming my way. I didn't know anything about how do you sign a movie? My poor father was a physician. He didn't know even more. And he was like highly protective. They gave up their practice, and for 2 working doctors.
Whoa, that's a huge transformation. And how do you think Priyanka Chopra achieved it? These are the major changes in her after years. Number 1, her fluency has improved tremendously. Number 2, her confidence has been boosted. Number 3, her body language is on point. Number 4, she shows clarity in expression. And number 5, refined vocabulary. Now that we have identified what helped Priyanka Chopra achieve clear communication, let me show how you too can improve yours. I would say be ready with your pen and a paper. Number 1, how to improve your fluency. Practice speaking without any pauses. Pick a topic every day and try to speak about it for 2 minutes continuously without stopping. Keep your points listed in your mind and just go on. It is okay if you repeat words in the beginning. You will just improve in time. Number 2, how to refine your vocabulary. Learn 5 new words every day. Do not just try to know their meaning, but also use them in your sentences. For example, if you see something very big, call it huge or enormous. You can even consult my last video where I taught how to stop using the word very. Trust me, you will get better. Number 3, how to work on your body language. Practice in front of a mirror or use a camera. Always keep your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Remember, hand gestures show how confident you are. Confidence is primarily shown through your body language, later through words. Number 4, how to achieve clarity of expression. Before you start speaking to someone, first outline your thoughts clearly in your mind, like how you would start any topic. Later, how would you carry it further as you explain, and how you will be finishing in the end. This pattern helps you avoid confusion in your head. Also avoids filters like like, for example, and all that. Number 5, how to gain your confidence. Confidence grows with exposure. Start small by recording yourself, sharing with friends, and talking to your friends. All these steps helps you reduce your fear. Remember that it's not the mistakes that kills your confidence, but it's the silence. So, stop waiting for the right opportunity and start speaking. Now, if you think from Priyanka Chopra's point of view, don't you think she had practiced all of this? And all these practices are quite visible in her years of interviews and videos. That's how she became a global star. Remember, Fluency is not born, but it is built. Start today and your future will speak tomorrow. And always follow for more English tips.